This ballet in all Asia, and it was recorded and it was shown on the TV. You see how big this is, how gigantic is this ballet tree here. There he is, releasing well. The area. Here, the Balete Drive, the biggest balete in all of Asia. There it goes. The biggest balete tree in Asia, 600 years old. Biggest balete, biggest balete mirror. Height 65 meter, diameter, crown diameter, alternative name, Millennium Tree.